In this video, we will learn if the sigma level is given, how we can calculate the number of defects from them. Or if number of defects are given, how we can find out the sigma level from that. So let's begin. So here we have the steps for that. If the sigma level is given, then how we can find the defects from that. Most of the time people talk about short-term sigma level, which is called as ZST. We have to convert the ZST into ZLT, which is long-term sigma level, and then we need to calculate this proportion of non-defects value. By using the proportion of non-defects value, we can easily calculate the proportion of defects from that value, and then finally we can convert that value into DPMO. So here we have 5 steps. Now let's do these steps one by one. First, we are given with the short-term sigma level, that is ZST. So let's say that this short-term sigma level is 4.5, right? And from this ZST, we can easily calculate the ZLT, which is long-term sigma level. So that is basically the short-term sigma level minus 1.5. So this value minus 1.5, press enter button, and here we have the ZLT or long-term sigma level. From this long-term sigma level, we can find this proportion of non-defects. So let me type it, proportion of non-defects value. These are the values which are not defected. These are the right items, right product items. So we need to put the equal sign here, and the formula to calculate is norms dist into ZLT or long-term sigma level. Press enter button, and here we have proportion of non-defect items. These items have no defects, and from this we can easily find the number of defective items. Simply we have to type equal 1 minus this value, proportion of non-defects. Press enter button, and here we have the value of proportion of defects. From this value we can easily calculate DPMO. So let me type at DPMO equal, simply we have to multiply this value with 1 million or 10 to raise power 6. Press enter button, and here we have the total defects. So if the short-term sigma level is 4.5, we can very easily calculate the DPMO or defects per million opportunities. And now if we have to move back to the sigma level, if we have the DPMO value as 1349, this value, how we can go back to the sigma level. So this is the formula, norms in V into 1 minus total number of defects divided by total number of opportunities. So these are the defects divided by total number of opportunities. Since we are talking about DPMO, so it's going to be 10 raised to power 6. Press enter button, and here we have ZLT value, that is long-term sigma ZLT, long-term sigma level. And now let's calculate the short-term sigma level from this. Simply we have to add 1.5 into the ZLT value. So we can very easily find it, 3 plus 1.5, and this is the short-term sigma level. So in this video we have learned the both cases. If the sigma level is given, we can very easily find the number of defects or DPMO value, and vice versa as well. So that's all for this video. See you in the next video.